One thing, if I was stranded on an island and I could only pick one makeup product, it would be lashes. If you were stranded on a desert island and you could only bring one product with you, what would it be? Let me know down in the comments below. Let's see if this would look like a disaster. Do I look like a mess? Will it turn out? I am looking so rough right now. Like a summer transformation challenge. Already got my foundation on and my eyebrows on. So let's begin this transformation and have that crazy white cast. Let's begin. First, we do not want to look greasy. Second, we need to make sure our makeup needs to stay on throughout the whole entire day, especially when it's so hot in the summer. We need our faces to stay and last long through the whole entire day. So I already got my base on, my foundation, and my eyebrows. They are kind of matching, but kind of not. They should be twins, not sisters, and sisters, not twins. Let me know down in the comments below which one they are, because my eyebrows definitely, they do not match whatsoever. First, you gotta make sure your hair is up. Start doing your makeup. Got clearly a lot darker, and none of my foundation matches me whatsoever. From the trip, I've been gone for 2 weeks, and I look so much darker. So if you watch my last video and this video, you could definitely see how much lighter I was before I left for the trip. And I'll probably also do a video on that, and it was so much fun, a ton of fun. I'm probably going to do a video of that, so make sure you stay tuned. You definitely, if you love travel, you love summertime and fun, you don't want to miss that video. Let's start mixing my concealers. Match my new skin tone. I like to add a little bit on my nose too, and chin. Now I'm going in with Born This Way. They are so creamy. They feel so good. Mixing to get the right match, but mixing your foundation or your concealer up so it looks like it actually matches your skin a little bit better. So that's what I like to do. Especially since summer, I prefer to use a stippling brush. In the winter time, beauty blender all the time. Make sure everything is blended in. So my camera likes to always adjust and auto adjust by itself. After I use the stippling brush, I like to go in and use my beauty blender to blend out my foundation and concealer, just to blend it in a lot more seamlessly. I find this absolutely just blends everything in so much better than just using a brush by itself. So I love using them together. Let's hit our face. Anywhere that I apply concealer, I would take the powder and just set that so that does not crease. Especially under my eyes, I like to add a little bit more so it really does mattify and does not crease. So we are going to leave that for 5, 10, 15 minutes to completely just sculpt our face and make it look flawless. Next step, eyes. Eyes are to the window's soul. I absolutely cannot live without this brush. Fluffy. It's really good to get in your crease. This is such a basic look. Let's change this look up. Jaclyn Hill, if you know her, you guys like this palette? Have you guys tried it? Let me know down in the comments below, because I absolutely love this palette, and it's just so, it's breathtaking. It's so gorgeous. Mixed with what I had that in with this red, tap that excess off, and just go into my crease. So nice, especially in the summertime. You have a nice pop of color. I love makeup. I feel like it's just so relaxing. Make sure you blend that in, and it's self-expression. We'll go back in with the chocolate that in one. So I'll be taking this nice red color. Not too much. Tap off the excess. You could always go back in and add more. Like every time I do my eye, this always turns out better than my left eye. Every single time. Dark brown. I just find doing your makeup is just so relaxing. Simple basic colors, that's good for every day. But today we're doing a different eye look. I'm really feeling one of these 3 colors with this as a red shade. This color is absolutely stunning. When you look at it, it has like that red dual chrome look effect. It looks so nice, especially during the summertime. That's our lip shade. So I don't know why you don't use this more often. It's so gorgeous for the summer. I need to get out of my comfort zone. Hi, what's up? What's good? Lashes, eyeliner on. Lashes make such a huge difference. No wonder girls love getting lash extensions done. It made a huge difference from no lashes to lashes. That just makes your eyes open up so, it just enhances it. It just looks so nice. One product that you cannot live without. Let me know down in the comments below. Mine would be definitely these lashes right here. Definitely a look. Hoola Benefit Bronzer. One of the best bronzer. Suck in my cheek and it will create that line. This one I haven't done yet. This one I just applied and it just makes bringing the color back into your face. And it doesn't matter how light or how dark you are. Before I went on the trip, I was way lighter than I am so tan now after the trip. This is good on light or more tan and darker skin, which I absolutely love how universal this powder is. Definitely one of the best bronzers for sure. So after contour the cheek, I like to just dab that and bring that up to my temples. Make sure everything looks even. You can just see the huge difference. Which side do you like better? The bronze side or just no bronzer? Do you personally like bronzer or no bronzer? I still have the powder that's left under my eyes because it's good to keep that matte. Do I feel like blush right now? My favorite blush right here. We're almost done. It's a really nice subtle blush. I like to add a little bit and you can just build until your desire. I just like a little blush, a little bit pop of color. Do what's customized for you because we're all different. We like different things, especially for summer. My highlighter, I wish. My dream would be having my own clothing line and my own makeup brand in the future. That would be so incredible. That's always been a dream of mine. What's your biggest dream that you always wanted to do but we all have that one thing or a few things. Absolutely so stunning, so good. If you're a highlighter fanatic like me, this is so good on the skin. I like to apply my highlighter on the tops of the cheekbone. That's where the high point is. My nose, Cupid's bow, brow, and some people like to apply right here, which I usually don't, but I'm going to experiment with this and see how I like it there. Do you know what the best thing oh, I'm losing my voice. Voice, come back, I need you. What I was trying to say was the best thing, especially in summer, it's so important to have this product. It's absolutely, it will make your makeup extend so much longer. I look so bald in this. That's better. I look like I'm not bald. This Urban Decay spray, it really does extend your makeup. It's like hairspray for your face. Don't actually use hairspray because that is so bad. So please don't do that because I've seen videos people do that and that's so bad for your face. For the summertime, this is absolute must. My favorite product to use to spray all over my face. Let it dry. Next, what lip do I want to do? Oh, this color actually looks so good. What am I going to do with my hair? Let's put my hair up in a ponytail. When my hair is down, it just gets so hot. Especially since I kind of have longer hair, it just gets way too hot. This is my summer look and I absolutely really enjoyed making this video. What is your summer look? Let me know down in the comments below. Is it more like a neutral eye, something more dramatic, something colorful lips? Give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed watching my videos or if you love makeup, because we all just want our makeup to stay, especially in the summertime, and not melt away, that we spend time putting on and that we enjoy. I feel like this lash is always different than this one. Click on these 2 videos from my previous. Although, don't forget to smile and be yourself. The most important thing is a perfect person will like you for who you are truly. So don't lose yourself. There's a motorcycle in the background, just rolling by. So, back to what I was saying. The perfect person will like you for who you are. Never lose yourself for someone else.